Good afternoon and welcome. This is going to be the Momoko doll that I actually got from overseas. I believe I got this website, which is in Japan. I expected. So surprisingly and pleasantly surprised, these are the items that were in the box with the doll. Then I got this folder, and in the back some more cute illustrations of anime characters. I have no idea what that's about. It is Monochrome Bird of Darkness. These are the accessories that Monochrome Bird Darkness comes with. Okay, this is a bow tie, oversized bow tie. There's buckles at the end to tighten it around her neck. It's a white cotton feel with some trim on the ends. I will probably safety pin it. Then she has these black stretchy tights with toes, with feet. And then for shoes, she has these black plastic, molded plastic shoes. They're called creepers because I used to wear these. They have these thick soles, and on the toe and on here they have laces and metal for closure, and a slit in the back to slide on her feet. Here is her face, which is adorable because I do like the gothic theme. She has the dark lips. I believe they're black or very dark purple. Her eyes are a lighter shade of like blue-gray. Her hair is black with bangs, no product. You see there's the styling here, it's short, and then a longer length in the back for her hair. I want to show you her profile because it's really cute. Her little nose is significant. If I push back her bangs, you can see her face here. She has light eyebrows, like a beige taupe. And it looks like she has yellow eye makeup on the lid. She's dressed only in black and white. She has a waistcoat or a vest. And this is in the back, which is surprising because it's outside of a traditional waistcoat. She has a black bubble skirt. The material is a cotton blend for the 1, 2, and 3 pieces. The clothing is removable. This looks like it's by Velcro in the front. The waistcoat, possibly in the front as well. It looks like there are snaps. And the bubble skirt is removable. From the back, looks like a hook and fabric loop. And I add her accessories. So I wanted to show you her articulation. She is slightly smaller than my regular fashion dolls. She may be 11 inches tall, but I will add that in the comments below, her exact height. Her head is particularly soft.